Chelsea Torres with your Chris 6 Sports Report.
Well, Harvey's aftermath left many families without homes, and this Refugio family not only lost their home, but one of the sons got severely injured in a Friday night football game, and Refugio Bobcats head coach Jason Herring got started right away in helping this family. It smells like sawdust, sounds like hammers banging on every wall. This is Casey Henderson's home. His family lost their home in Harvey, and weeks later, Casey, a junior football player for Refugio, broke 2 vertebrae in his neck in a Friday night game. Henderson's home is now being rebuilt by the help of his head football coach, Jason Herring.
As a coach, when something catastrophic happens, you feel a certain amount of guilt. Did I teach him everything right? Did I teach him to tackle right? What if I hadn't had him in the game that play? You start, and I just feel like it's my mission, and God wants me to rebuild this home for him.
Coach Herring only had $1,000 to spend to start buying materials, but with the heart of giving from the Refugio community, he would not have been able to do this on his own.
We've raised over $40,000 in 3 weeks to completely rebuild their home, and those are all blessings from God. I mean, it's just been immense. People have opened up their checkbooks, opened up their hearts.
Volunteers from as far as California have come to help. Most of the volunteers at Casey's new home are church volunteers. Now, Coach Herring plans to keep rebuilding to help other Refugio families, either with supplies or paying for the work, and all of the money has been donated from the community.
I mean, it's been mind-boggling, the blessings that God has brought to us through. It's a tragedy, but in the end, there's a lot of good coming out of this.
Now, for many who are wondering on how Casey is doing, this is how he looks now. He is still in San Antonio recovering, but with that big smile, his mom, Nicole Henderson, did say that he has been feeling his feet now and is in great spirits. You can find out more details about this story and how to donate.